Hello, welcome to the VR modeling application. The future is here to serve you.
Hello.
You can create a new file or load an existing one from library.
New file.
New file is created. Here you can see the available voice commands.
Add object.
You can add one of the following objects to the scene.
Add cube.
Cube added. You can move the object by grabbing it.
Edit on.
You can edit the mesh of the object by dragging the red pointers. In order to finish editing, say edit off.
Edit off.
Okay.
Add object. Add cone.
Cone added.
Edit on. Edit off.
Okay.
Add object. Add disk.
Disk added.
Add object. Add torus.
Torus added.
Add object. Add sphere.
Sphere added.
Boolean union.
The parts that overlap are thrown away and the rest is joined together.
Export STL.
All the objects from the scene are exported as STL files which can be used for 3D printing.
Delete.
Are you sure that you want to delete all the objects?
Yes.
All the objects are deleted.
Menu.
The current progress will be lost. Are you sure you want to go to the main menu?
Yes.
You can create a new file or load an existing one from library.